He said to wait.
Where's it? Oh, I have to record.
Oh, pig. What is that? Stupid acorn. No, it's not.
Record this right now. I'm gonna get a better view. Wait, no, I can't do it on record. Whoa, wait, they have real basketball court thing?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Here, look out for Sean.
Hello, my name's Jacob Chapman.
Hello, I'm Michael. Yo, look, swagger.
Like you do something.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's coming.
Okay, he's coming. Here, Sean. He's right here.
We should do Michael. Show it to Michael. Let me record this right now. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Why?
Cause I felt like
It has
it.
to be funny.
Oh. Well, you say we record it, so.
It has to be funny.
Well, yeah, yeah. Why can I just say that it's gonna be so funny that everyone's gonna be just like, oh, it's so funny.
I was gonna say tree falling down. Do you think the
Yeah.
helicopter is pretty cool?
Yeah, it is.
No?
Yeah, no.
Don't like it? They don't last long.
Not really.
They don't last long. Can I eat your little sister's butthole?
No.
Hello, would you like to order some Chinese food? 10% off for the 1% off. Haha, suck a dick.
No Asians allowed.
I got a good idea. Oh, you're videotaping that? That's good.
I know, right?
I'm Jacob Chapman, and welcome to Fartface channel.
Hey!
Someone we're
If it
posting
balls on someone.
Yeah.
troll.
Troll. Ow! What the fudge? The stick.
Try Jacob's butt.
No!
Hit his hand.
Don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that either.
Here, let me see. I'm not gonna. No.
Oh yeah, Zach. Remember when Zachary Leahy fell down there? Like I remember that time.
Huh? What?
Get back when it comes down.
What?
Get back when it comes down. 'Cause the thing's gonna timber pretty good.
And it's not the Fartface channel.
I'm Jacob Chapman, and this is the Fartface channel. Thanks for watching.
What the fudge, man? And not the Fartface channel once
Is your
again.
hand bigger than your face?
No, I'm not doing that.
Is your hand bigger than your
No, I'm
face?
not doing it either.
Zach.
It has to be like this, not.
No.
Yeah, what am I doing right now? Oh.
It's gonna fall.
Wait, do the do
It's
the
gonna fall pretty soon.
wait, do the face thing, like with the when you go like this. Wait, is your face bigger than your face? Whatever.
The good place to put the trampoline is by Almost House. Because it's flat there instead of here.
And I think Mike is putting his fingers in his mouth.
I'm Jacob Chapman. This is the Fartface channel. Thanks for watching.
It's not the Fartface channel once again.
And I like how you're just videotaping your mouth.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey guys, this is QTV. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Gate go.
And it's called the video game channel. Once again, it's called Tree Damage.
You're not videotaping your face. You're just videotaping your mouth.
I'm not. Hi.
Now you're videotaping your face. You're doing this. Ha! Suck it. Sure you can zoom? You could zoom.
No, it's.
See?
What? What? Did you say Timber? Timber!
Not yet.
Sorry, I wanted to do it so bad.
Fail.
I know.
You are such a...
Timber!
I'm on Zoom.
So this is the channel. What's it gonna eat?
Okay. I might flip it like this when it's falling, so yeah.
Yeah. Peace.
Start shaking the branch.
Loco.
Oh, I hear it. It's cracking.
How do you hear? I can't hear.
See?
Oh yeah, it is. Isn't that a saw or something?
Yeah, it's like a saw.
Yeah. Well, it's like a saw with a head handle right
It's about
here.
that long of a saw.
I mean, I mean a saw.
That
It's
saw
like
can
right
cut,
here.
that
it's like
saw
a
can
handle.
probably cut down that tree.
Yeah, and it goes fall like right now, and you stand right there, it falls right on you.
It's illegal to cut down a tree that's more than a foot wide because then it's like illegal. I don't know why. Because that's long, that's illegal.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that video on YouTube.
You have to land on someone, then you put it on YouTube.
Or Instagram. Or Facebook. Or Twitter.
No, Jacob.
What? It is funny.
It's not funny when
Yep.
you do it.
Yeah, but you look good how you have to do this.
Do it, Michael. Okay, that
And we
was
have to all say turn.
Timber!
When does the thing get out? Calm down.
oh,
It's
it's
a while.
it's close. Watch.
Timber! I'm going. Do the cat daddy. Do the cat daddy. Do the cat
Oh,
daddy.
here's a-
No, not yet.
Ten. I mean, no. Do the cat daddy. Do the cat
Stand
daddy.
back, it's just gonna collapse in a second. Collapse back, stand back. I can see the things there.
Gotta keep on sawing it.
Oh my god, that's why you do not want to be
See,
there.
that's why you guys don't want to do it because the thing's broken, buddy.
Well, that's why we recording it.
Say hi, Sean. Sean, say
So
hi.
say hi.
It cracked the stick. It even cracked the stick.
Say hi. Say hi.
It even cracked it.
Say hi. No?
You see it, Michael? It
Yeah, I-
even cracked the mace, it even cracked it.
That is-
It even cracked it.
That's his
Where?
piece.
It even cracked it.
Oh.
You damn it, you cracked it.
Whoa.
The thing
You
came
can
back.
have this for fire. This whole thing for
But
fire.
you got a chainsaw.
Yeah, it's true.
Now, how are we gonna get rid of David? Get the chainsaw out?
Did it break it?
Yeah,
you
see,
recording this?
it's busted. Broken.
How much is a new one?
broke his freaking neck.
How much
Yeah.
is a new one?
About $50, I'm not sure.
Wow.
The thing came down pretty fast.
Hey, Michael, I thought you don't have enough money. You can probably get it, Michael. I did eat one of those beers too.
Say,
Hey,
Michael,
Michael,
start twerking.
Michael, stop twerking.
hey, look at them, look at see, even cracked up there, look at it.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to put it on YouTube and say,